Chapter 7. Introduction to Internet. Introduction. Internet is a worldwide communication system in which thousands of computers are connected to each other through individual networks. It allows exchange of information between two or more computers on a network. When you want to talk with your friend, you may talk by using your mobile phone. It means you are communicating with the help of your mobile phone. Such a mode of communication is called communication network. A communication network refers to the method by which one person passes on information to others through various ways. Computer network. A computer network is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources. The most common resource shared today is connection to the Internet. Other shared resources can include a printer or a file server. The Internet itself can be considered a computer network. A network is a multi-purpose connection which allows a single computer to do more. What is Internet? The Internet is the largest computer network in the world, connecting millions of computers. A network is a group of two or more computer systems linked together. The Internet is a worldwide system of connected networks. Each network consists of millions of computers, servers, routers, and printers. The Internet is a telecommunication network that uses telephone lines, cables, satellites, and wireless connections to connect computers and other devices. Tech terms. Telecommunications. Telecommunication is the transmission of information by various types of technologies over wire, radio, optical, or other electromagnetic systems. Uses of Internet. Internet has been the most useful technology of the modern times, which helps us not only in our daily lives but also our personal and professional lives developments. The Internet can be used to send and receive email messages, learn something new with an online course, access a huge library of information from around the world, share photographs and video clips with your friends and family, buy goods and services, carry out online banking, use video calling to make pre-calls to other computer users, play games with other people online, catch up on TV and radio programs or watch them again. Internet means international network. Equipments used for Internet connection. There are some requirements to connect our system to the Internet. They are as under: computer, modem, telephone or cable line, web browser, operating system. Web browser, telephone, modem, computer. Important: Tim Berners-Lee invented the first web browser, www, in 1990. World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a collection of websites or web pages stored in web servers. A computer that runs websites and connected to local computers through the Internet. Internet terms. Website. Website is a collection of web pages which are grouped together and usually connected together in various ways. It is often called a site. The central page of a website is called a home page. This is usually the first page you see when you open a website. It is also called a start page or index page. Amazon website. Web browser. A web browser is a program on your computer. Repeat. A web browser is a program on your computer that allows you to access websites on the Internet. A web browser or simply browser is an application used to access and view websites. The web is written in a computer language called HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Common web browsers include Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and Apple Safari. Did you know Google is the most popular search engine in the world? The top 5 most popular websites in the world are Google, Facebook, YouTube, Yahoo, and Baidu. Web page. A web page is a document for the World Wide Web that is identified by a unique Uniform Resource Locator (URL). A web page can be accessed and displayed on a monitor or mobile device through a web browser. Did you know the foundation of the Internet began in 1969 when the US Department of Defense created ARPANET, a project to allow military personnel to communicate with each other in an emergency? In a nutshell, 1. A computer network is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources. 2. The Internet is the largest computer network in the world, connecting millions of computers. 3. The Internet is a worldwide system of connected networks. Each network consists of millions of computers, servers, routers, and printers. 4. Website is a collection of web pages which are grouped together and usually connected together in various ways. 5. A web browser is a program on your computer that allows you to access websites on the Internet. 6. A web page is a document for the World Wide Web that is identified by a unique Uniform Resource Locator. 7. The World Wide Web is a collection of websites or web pages stored in web servers and connected to local computers through the Internet. 1. Fill in the blanks.